Welcome to Clarity Unlocked, where we break through the noise to help you live with purpose and control. Today, we're diving into 4 powerful Stoic lessons that will help you escape survival mode and take charge of your life. If you're feeling stuck, drained, or just going through the motions, this is for you. Let's unlock the clarity you need to thrive. Ever get the feeling like you're stuck in the past, like the day owns you before it even starts? Your mind is racing, your body is tense, and all you're doing is reacting, not living. Welcome to survival mode, the modern epidemic nobody talks about. It's when you're alive, but not really living. You're stuck in loops, chasing money, approval, escape, with zero peace of mind. But what if there was a way to break out? Not by changing the world, but by changing how you see it. For centuries, Stoic philosophers faced chaos, failure, even death, and still found peace. They discovered something powerful and practical. And today, you're going to learn 4 Stoic lessons that can snap you out of survival mode and back into control. But before we dive in, if you're someone who's tired of just getting by and want to live with more clarity, strength, and peace, hit that subscribe button. We break down timeless Stoic wisdom into simple, powerful lessons every week. Now, let's get into the first lesson. Ever try to control everything? Your boss's mood, the weather, your future? How'd that work out? Exactly. One of the most powerful Stoic ideas comes from Epictetus. He said, "Some things are in our control, others are not." That one line can change your life. Here's the problem. Most people waste their energy worrying about things they can't control, like what others think, how people behave, or what might go wrong tomorrow. It's like trying to stop the ocean with your hands. But when you focus only on what you can control, your actions, your thoughts, your responses, something amazing happens. You get your power back. Think about it. You can't control traffic, but you can control how you react to it. You can't control how someone treats you, but you can choose whether or not you engage. You can't control your past, but you can control what you do next. This mindset doesn't just reduce anxiety, it makes you calm, focused, and dangerous in the best way. So here's your move. Every time you feel overwhelmed, ask yourself, is this in my control? If it is, do something about it. If it's not, guys, let it go. That's how Stoics stay steady in a chaotic world. We live in a world where comfort is king. Soft chairs, fast internet, instant food, all made to keep us cozy. But here's the catch. Chasing comfort all the time puts you in survival mode. Why? Because your mind starts to avoid anything difficult, scary, or uncertain. That's the opposite of growth. Seneca, a famous Stoic, said something that hits hard. Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body. Think about it. When you lift weights, your muscles get stronger by being challenged, not by sitting on the couch. The same goes for your mind and spirit. Stoics practiced voluntary discomfort to build strength. They would take cold baths, fast regularly, sleep on hard floors, face tough situations head-on, not because they liked pain, but because they knew it prepared them for anything life throws. You don't have to do all that today. But next time something uncomfortable comes your way, a tough conversation, waking up early, or a challenge, don't run. Lean in. Feel the discomfort. That's where real change starts. Remember, survival mode hides in comfort. Growth lives just beyond it. Have you ever done something you later regretted because you acted on impulse or emotion? That's the trap Stoics warn about. Marcus Aurelius, this Roman emperor and fellow Stoic, said this: You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Emotions can be like waves, strong, sudden, and sometimes overwhelming. But if you let every wave push you around, you're stuck drifting. Stoicism teaches that instead of reacting to emotions, you should act according to your values, what really matters to you. Imagine you get angry because someone cuts you off in traffic. You feel your blood boil. But then you remember, patience is your value. So instead of yelling or stressing, you stay calm and keep driving safely. Or maybe you're sad after a failure. Instead of sinking into despair, you remind yourself, resilience and learning are your values. You stand up, plan your next move, and keep going. This switch, from emotional reaction to values-based action, breaks survival mode's grip. It gives you control over your choices, no matter what life throws at you. Here's your takeaway. Before reacting, pause. Ask yourself, what would the best version of me do right now? Answer that, and act on it. Thinking about death isn't easy, but for Stoics, it was a tool, a powerful way to escape survival mode and live fully. Memento mori means, remember, you must die. Why would thinking about death help? Because it strips away distractions, worries, and fear. When you realize life is short and uncertain, the small stuff stops controlling you. Suddenly you see what truly matters. Imagine you only have a limited number of days left. Would you waste time worrying about gossip, failures, or what others think? No, you'd focus on what matters, your purpose, your values, your loved ones. Stoics practice daily reflection on death to remind themselves, life is a gift, not a guarantee. Every moment counts. They must act with intention, not just react. This awareness breaks survival mode's hold, from autopilot to awake, aware, alive. Spend a minute each day reflecting on your mortality, not to scare you, but to free you, to make every day yours. Control what you can, let go of the rest action. When stressed, ask yourself, can I control this? If yes, act. If no, let it go. Embrace discomfort action. Choose one small discomfort today, like cold water or waking up early, and lean into it. Live according to values, not emotions action. Before reacting, pause and ask, what would the best version of me do right now? Keep in mind that we're gonna die action. Spend 1 minute each day reflecting on life's fragility to live with more focus and purpose. Survival mode keeps you stuck, anxious, tired, and just reacting to life. But Stoicism offers a way out. By focusing on what you control, welcoming discomfort, living by your values, and remembering life's limited time, you reclaim your power. You stop surviving and start truly living. This isn't magic. It's simple. It's practical. And it's waiting for you to try. If this video helped you see a way out of survival mode, hit the like button. Subscribe for more easy, powerful Stoic lessons that change your life. And tell me in the comments, which lesson hit you the hardest? I'd love to hear your story. Thanks for watching. Stay strong. Stay steady.